closed on Springbar Road southbound just before Ferntree Gully Road. Crews are repairing a power pole that was damaged this morning. The right lane is getting past. Give yourself a few extra minutes.
Yeah, right, mate.
Already, but he's the first guy that made removable and movable frames.
Yeah.
Which apparently bees will have a tendency to tie their honeycombs into the wall of the box, let's say. And with those removable and movable frames, I couldn't do that anymore. And apparently that made it really easy to...
Miners should leave agents to take it off.
Full run of red light.
Fuck